Fowler 52-646-300-0 cylinder dial bore gauge in-depth reviews. This product has 4.5 stars based on 294 ratings and 42 reviews. 89% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 8% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Good buy for the price. I use these tools in my shop about once a month. The price point met my needs, as did the quality of the tool. I've measured the accuracy of mine to be within approximately 2/10 ths of a thousandth of an inch. Not the most accurate or the best quality, but for my use it is a perfect fit for my needs." Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. It does the job. The Fowler is an okay tool. The packaging of the products is okay. The quality of it is okay. It's just an okay tool that costs less than a Mitutoyo. If you were going to use this tool constantly, go with a higher end one. If you were only going to use it a few times a year, this one will do okay. That's it.
The Fowler dial cylinder bore gauge with a range of 2 to 6 inches, supplied in a fitted case with instruction manual, 11 anvils, one is already installed in the foot, a 2-inch extension, and 4 anvil spacers. Each anvil has a carbide ball contact, an insulated stem, 5 10,000ths reading AGD Group 2 indicator, self-centralizing with an insulated shroud for protection of the indicator. Comes with a full 1-year warranty. The Fowler 2 to 6 inch dial cylinder bore gauge.